Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you were asleep. No boss called you into work. No customers needed your attention. No one paid you for hours you worked that day. Instead, the money came from something you created or invested in weeks, months, or even years ago. Sounds amazing, right? But before you start thinking passive income is some magical shortcut to becoming rich, there's something you need to know. The internet is full of people claiming you can make thousands of dollars with almost no effort. They promise you'll become financially free in a few weeks if you follow their secret method. The truth is very different. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly what passive income is, how it works, why so many people misunderstand it, and the different ways ordinary people are building passive income today. Let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is money that continues to come in after you've already done most of the work. Unlike a regular job where you only get paid when you're actively working, passive income allows you to earn money from assets, investments, or systems you've already created. Think about your job. You go to work. You spend 8 hours working. You get paid. If you stop working, the money usually stops too. That's called active income. Now imagine writing a book. You spend months writing it, editing it, and publishing it. After it's published, people continue buying it every day. Each sale earns you money even though you're not writing the book again. That's passive income. The same idea applies to YouTube videos, online courses, investments, rental properties, music royalties, and many other income streams. Passive income doesn't mean no work. This is probably the biggest misunderstanding on the internet. People hear the words passive income and imagine relaxing on a beach while money magically appears in their bank account. That's not reality. Almost every successful passive income stream requires one of two things: either a lot of money or a lot of time. If you don't have money to invest, you'll probably invest your time. If you don't have time, you'll probably need money. Sometimes you'll need both. For example, a YouTube creator may spend hundreds of hours learning video editing, scripting, filming, and marketing before earning their first dollar. But once those videos are online, they can continue generating views for years. The work happens first. The income comes later. Active income versus passive income. Let's compare the two. Imagine Sarah works as a waitress. She earns £120 every day she works. If Sarah takes 2 weeks off, she earns nothing during those 2 weeks. Now imagine James creates educational YouTube videos. First, James earns nothing. He spends months uploading videos. Eventually, one of his videos starts getting thousands of views every month. Now, even while James is sleeping, traveling, or working on new content, that old video continues earning money. That's the difference. Active income depends on your time. Passive income depends on systems and assets. Types of passive income. There isn't just one way to build passive income. Let's look at some of the most common methods. 1. YouTube. One video can generate income for years through advertisements, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Many successful creators earn money from videos they uploaded years ago. Of course, you still need to make new videos if you want your channel to grow, but your older content continues working for you. 2. Dividend investing. Some companies share part of their profits with shareholders. These payments are called dividends. If you own enough shares, you can receive dividend payments every few months. The more shares you own, the larger your dividend income becomes. 3. Rental property. Buying a property and renting it out can generate monthly income. However, being a landlord isn't completely passive. You may still have repairs, maintenance, taxes, and tenants to manage. Many investors hire property managers to reduce their workload. For digital products, templates, planners, ebooks, photography presets, printables, these can all be created once and sold thousands of times online. This is one reason digital businesses have become so popular. 5. Online courses. If you know how to teach a valuable skill, you can create a course once and sell it repeatedly. Thousands of people have built successful businesses by teaching languages, coding, photography, fitness, cooking, and many other skills. Why most people fail. Erase the uncomfortable truth. Most people quit too early. Imagine planting a tree. Would you dig it up every week to see if it's growing? Of course not. You water it. You protect it. You wait. Passive income works exactly the same way. Many people upload 5 YouTube videos and quit. Others invest for 6 months and expect to become millionaires. Real passive income rewards patience. It often takes months or even years before you see meaningful results. The people who succeed usually stay consistent long after everyone else has given up. The biggest myths about passive income. Let's clear up a few common myths. Myth number 1. Passive income is easy. No. Building passive income is often harder than working a normal job, especially at the beginning. Myth number 2. You need lots of money. Not always. Starting a YouTube channel or writing an ebook costs very little. What you'll need instead is time, patience, and consistency. Myth number 3. You'll become rich overnight. Almost never. The people making thousands each month usually spent years learning, improving, and building valuable assets. How to get started. If you're new to passive income, don't try to do everything at once. Choose one method. Learn everything you can about it. Focus on creating something valuable. Stay consistent. Improve over time. Remember, successful passive income is built by solving problems for other people. If your videos educate, if your products help, if your investments grow, then your income has a chance to grow too. Final thoughts. Passive income isn't about escaping work. It's about changing when you do the work. Instead of working today to get paid today, you're building something today that could continue paying you tomorrow, next month, or even years from now. It's not easy. It's not instant, but it is possible. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos about building wealth, financial freedom, investing, and creating multiple income streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, wealth is built through progress. Keep progressing, progressors.